This is a cutting I took in spring 2019. Took about 5 of them. I potted them into these single little cups in spring 2020. Put some wire on them. Then took the wire off about a month or two later. They're 2 years old now. It's time to get them in a little bit bigger pot. Check the roots. Make sure they're going in the right direction. I'm going to trim back the strong ones. Delete any that I don't like. Lots of extra roots. And I got them all combed out. Got all the old soil off. Now I'm going to cut any roots going straight up or crossing too much. Just reduce the root ball. Try to balance it out a little bit. And here it is, tidied up. Looks a lot better. Everybody's got their own space to grow. Got a nice little wiggle in the base of the trunk there. Should end up being nice, informal upright. I'm going to keep it in this little 6-inch for, I don't know, 2-3 years. To see how thick it gets before it fills the pot with roots. Seem to be growing pretty fast. Just use 2 tie downs. That's good enough. Keep it still in the pot till the roots can hold it down, which will be pretty quick. This guy has so many buds that come out. Really like this cultivar of maple. There's a few down here opening up. Topped off, watered up, ready to go back on the bench. Really like that maple spring foliage. Almost looks like flowers. All right, I'm out of here.